Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to send money with Zelle on Citizens Bank. So let's get started. So first of all, go to the Citizens Bank mobile device on your phone and log into your account. Now once logged in, click on the send money icon on the bottom of the screen. Now tap on the option send money with Zelle. Now here tap on send. And now if you already have a recipient set, you can check them, but if you don't, you can just add a new recipient by tapping on new contact. Now choose whether it is a personal or business account. After that, enter their first and last name. After that, enter their email address, mobile number, which one suits best for you. After that, tap on save. Now once you have done that, you will be taken to this page. Now first of all, select the frequency of your transfer and also the date. Now you have to select which account from you're sending money from. So in my case, I'll simply choose my account. After that, enter the amount you would like to send and now tap on review. Now click on the send icon and the money will be sent, and there you go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.